Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself.
Hey guys, welcome to another GoSkills Excel challenge. This time we'll be working with a data set from a fictional e-commerce company. Imagine you have just joined their data team and your manager has handed you 6 months of order data from January to June 2024, covering 60 orders across 10 customers and 12 products. The first tab, of course, is the instructions tab, which I'll walk you through right now. Some of the tasks build on each other, so it's a fun formula challenge. So the first tab with data, it's the orders tab, which contains all 60 transactions. The customers tab with details on our 10 customers, including the region they're based, and the products tab, which has the full product catalog with cost and retail prices. So now let's go to your solution tab where you can start performing these tasks. So the first task is all about lookups. You'll need to use a single formula to retrieve the complete order record for the most recent order placed by a selected customer. We have a drop-down here where you can select any customer ID, and your formula should pull back all the order details automatically. Your second task is to calculate the net revenue for each order, and you'll be adding this on column F of the orders tab. You can see the formula for net revenue on the instructions tab. Now, your third task is to assign a loyalty discount tier to each customer based on their total net revenue across all orders. We have a tier table here that tells you which discount percentage each customer should receive. But you'll need to figure out each customer's total net revenue first before you can assign the tier. Now, your fourth task is to extract a comma-separated list of all the unique products each customer has ordered. And in this case, we want the product name, not the product ID. And your fifth and final task is the fun one. You'll first need to add a gross profit column on the orders table, which would be on column G. The formula for calculating gross profit is on the instructions tab as well. And then you will use that information to identify the top performing customer in each region based on their total gross profit. So we have 3 regions: North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Which customer comes out on the top of each one? One hint, this challenge is a great workout for dynamic array functions, so I can't wait to see your solutions. See you!
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!